So we caught up with the school run, and it's a very busy road. You can see there's parked cars down both sides of the road and then other oncoming traffic, making it very narrow. What we expect here is, or what we prepare for here, is car doors opening or people walking out from behind parked cars, and maybe even someone pulling out in front of us. And so we're taking it very, very cautiously. And in the end, it was a good job that we did, because look, there you go, someone's just pulled out right in front of us there. Obviously, they didn't notice that we were coming down the road, and they are also going quite cautiously past that very small space, so less space, less speed. And you can see there's traffic coming in from the right hand side, and also, you know, there's a red car that's trying to maneuver itself out. The lollipop person has just gone over the road, and what's happening with the grey car in front of us is now they're indicating to pull in. So they've gone about 100 metres down the road, that's it. And they're pulling into park. At this point, we're thinking that they're waiting for this. You see this white van that's coming through there? We thought they were waiting, but no. They're actually parking. I hope this lady spots them in time. Yep, there you go. She spotted them, moved out the way. But they're just parking up. Like I say, they've gone 100 yards down the road. I don't know about you, but I think that would have been probably just as quick or just as easy to walk that 100 yards. So there you go, there's an example. You can decide for yourselves if that's a lazy driver or just someone, well, it's not even raining, is it?